You're not gonna do it?
Hey guys, last fan of the night. Rick.
Hey guys.
I just said it.
Start over. Start
This is
over.
horrible.
Dumbass.
I can tell you, he is worse stage fright than Alan, so his impression definitely doesn't.
It's
Okay,
not
try
better
again.
than that.
5, 4, 3.
I have it clear on my end.
You're not gonna do it?
Hey guys, last fan of the night.
They just like saying that.
I just said it again.
He can't do it with a straight face. Okay, moving on. Alan, you go ahead.
Hey guys, this is a Homestead soup movie.
No, let me. All right. Hey guys, last fan of the night. We're here with Rick.
It's not the last fan of the night.
And Rick, take it away.
I don't know a whole lot about this one. I know it's a Homestead. It's very cool. It has 6 blades, and I picked the shades. And I'd assume it's 80s.
So,
Somebody help me.
It's too late for you. Dan, is it too late?
go ahead. Go ahead. Last chance.
Last fan of the night.
Chris is talking here. Alright, hold on. Give me the floor. Hey guys, last fan of the night. This is the Homestead Whisperfan 3. I fucking said it. I said it.
We'll accept that.
I don't even know what I said anything about.
He got through the entire intro.
That's not an intro. There's more to it than that. There's always more to it than that.
Ooh. He doesn't like that.
What did it
It
do?
flickered a little bit.
Hey guys,
Okay.
last
Just
fan of the night. Today we have this 1 hour fan.
1 hour fan? What's that even mean?
1 hour fan videos, what do you mean?
I guess. Okay, he sucks. So this is a Homestead Whisperfan 3, which is my personal favorite Homestead. I've never seen one that was brass with like an off-white sideband before.
Hey guys.
Are you drunk?
I would not be surprised. Okay, one thing I'll add about this that's interesting. So the sideband, like, we weren't sure if it was something that was.
Dan, for the record, I said it every time of my audio. Oh, you're a dick.
He's blaming it on the audio tag again.
3
Oh, boy.
times.
This is a
Go ahead, Rick.
this is a dumpster
I'm going to
fire.
mute them in a second.
Okay, so the one thing that I noticed when I first put this up is that sideband, it kind of, we thought it almost looked like it was painted at first, but we're pretty sure it is in fact factory. I don't know if it was like a more of a stark white, like from when it was.
It looks like somebody tried to clean it. There's a little patch that's lighter. Oh, I see what you're talking about with the thing. Here, let me. It's fine. It's just, you know, that's a solid state fan control. I don't know if I want to use Totally Awesome. That's kind of strong. Let's try some of this all-purpose cleaner.
Do you want me to cut the power yet?
Oh,
Oh, okay.
I'm just gonna.
I think he actually raped. I think there's no way he's going to bed. I think he's raped.
I don't even know what they're talking about. God,
This is a dumpster fire video.
Okay,
This is an outtake.
I'm keeping it. Just
Yeah.
there's nothing else.
for us. Yeah.
There's nothing else to make them feel like they could have done better.
Oh yeah.
There's a little like tobacco tar on there.
I don't know if you noticed the top was super like kitchen
Yeah,
grease.
so is the.
Okay, so yeah, it's starting to look more like a beige, like off-white.
Yeah, I mean, this is just Windex. This is like the mildest cleaner you could use. I'm
Yeah.
sure if I used
something.
Totally Awesome. Yeah, it's definitely dirty.
Okay.
But yeah, they definitely tried to clean the bottom of it, and they don't think they tried on top.
No, they didn't do a thing to the top.
But, because this is really dirty here, too.
Yep.
Actually, you know what this needs probably? Is the old magic elixir number 2. Let's see how this... Because that will definitely shine that brass right back up. Let's see how it does on that paint finish.
I could never spray something on something with live power. I would be having a panic attack doing that.
I don't see why.
It's gonna see through stuff. The reverse switch sockets, I would phone that.
It's not taking the thing off, but it is making this shine.
The brass looks a lot better for sure. I mean, you
Yeah.
can tell that from here, but especially the side, the top, like where.
Anyhow, yeah, it doesn't look painted. It looks factory, but it's kind of like a beige. I've never seen that before, and it's only the sideband. So, again, if they were going to paint it, why would they just do the sideband? The coolest thing about this to me is the cane, which I didn't know it had. I bought this kind of sight unseen. Like, I'd seen a picture of it from the top. The picture was not good enough for me to know that the sideband was a different color, and it was not. I had no clue that it was cane. So, I guess since I'm over here, I'll do the first round of speeds. You want to do me a favor?
Yeah.
Take it off solid state. Okay, take the high switch off. Unless, did you want to see what the LEDs draw? Are you at all curious?
Actually, yeah. Why not?
Okay.
See what it does.
0.05 amps.
Wow. Yeah.
7 watts for all of them, and a
50
power factor of close to 1. So if they're 7 watts for 4, they're roughly 2 watts apiece. Okay, so this should be set to low. Bearings are stiff, but we didn't.
They're quiet, but a little stiff.
Yeah. And this is, ooh, it's buzzy already, which is not surprising. These tend to be very loud with the cardboard box and the metal flywheel.
There is a trim pod inside. I did not do anything with it. So.
We can always try it on the. If we want to try it on the lower, we can always try it on that one.
Yeah. That's a nice low though.
It's fast for me, but
Well, yeah, but for little. What is this? 36 inch?
38.
38. Okay, yeah.
I would love to hang this somewhere in my house, but unfortunately, most places that will fit a 36-inch fan will not fit a 38. And now, of course, I found. So I'm gonna. What was it drawn on the lowest speed? I'm just curious.
It was 0.2. I missed. I think it was about 0.24.
This is the lowest one.
It's 0.27. Right now it's 0.27.
Yeah, there's some tobacco tar on the white part of the variable speed control, so this thing was clearly filthy.
Yeah. Oh, it's gnarly.
I'm just gonna inch it up.
I feel like if I film the video.
It's not that bad. I mean, there's a little buzz to it, but
yeah. What's the drawing on high?
0.48.
Okay, so these definitely have a lower capacitor value in there, and
it's nice balance.
Yeah, runs great. Not a bad airflow for a small fan, although upping the capacitor value would fly some more. Okay, you want to turn it off? And I will reverse it.
That's one of those reverse switches where it's pointing the opposite way. Like, pointing to the left means... that bugs me.
What are the morons talking about over there? Just moron stuff?
I don't think anything about fans.
I don't know why we even include them. They're not even paying attention. You guys are all really dumb.
I hope it falls.
He said, I hope it falls.
Why do you have to point out the obvious?
Ouch.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we have this piece of shit.
Is he filming too? I think he's filming as well. Either that or he's mocking me. I'm not sure which. It's more or less the same thing.
He didn't say anything about the last fan of the night,
so it's probably not a mockery. Okay, go ahead and hit the high switch.
Alright. This is factory low reverse.
Yeah.
So we're at 0.27 already.
Is that about the same as it was before?
It's exactly the same as it was before.
Okay, I'm just going to take it to high.
Yeah.
Same as it was before?
0.4. 0.49, yeah, pretty much.
Okay. Remember, once it gets up to speed, you can turn it off. I disagreed with Rick about these shades. I wanted to put slide glass on it, but Rick's the guest, so he gets to pick the shades.
I tend to like less ornate type glass like that, like more home center type stuff.
Turn it off.
But
these are to me these are home center shades, and this is a showroom fan, and these belong on a home center fan like Emerson or a Moss or
That's fair. I just thought the amber tint. I kind of thought it looked good with the.
I'm gonna.
But that's fair.
Is there a way to mute like at least one person in this thing? No.
It's the little red X in the top right.
That's just how I get rid of them.
Oh yeah, who do you want to mute?
Everybody. No, I don't know.
Who do you want to mute?
Nobody. It's fine. So I could have stopped it by hand, huh? Oh well, it's got a pretty quick spin down there.
Yeah, it's okay. All right, so
where do we think it's gonna start?
You have it to high.
I have it set to high. Yes.
Okay. All right. So what kind of motor is this? A stack motor?
It's all motors are stack motors. It is a K55 type made by, I believe it's a GE motor.
GE motor. Okay. I'm gonna say 5.
Bearings are pretty stiff.
That's what I was thinking. Yeah, I would have said 4.
I'll go 4.
Okay.
Because I think 6 is kind of high for something like this. But let's go.
I was thinking about
you guys. Anybody want to take a guess? Somebody says 3.
It's stiff, right? So we're gonna say 5 because it's stiff.
All right.
That's what she said.
I'll say 3 just for the hell of it, though.
Watch it be like 3, and that was gonna be right.
Is it still stiff though?
It's a little stiff, yeah.
It's quiet, but a little stiff, yeah. All right.
We'll say 5.
1.
Nick straight up irrelevant.
2.
Ooh.
It budged.
Whoever said 3 might be.
Is it serious? On
It's
2?
gonna keep trying to go on 2.
Wow.
Which would not surprise me under normal circumstances, but it does surprise me with the bearings being stiff.
Stiff bearings.
Hey, I half-assed one.
Yeah, I think 2 is gonna be the start.
Is it still going? Huh?
Yeah. Oh, it's picking up speed too a little bit. All right, no, 2 it is. All right, 3.
I mean, I love the cane. I love the cane. 6 blades with cane and anything gets me, but the Homestead cane is just so pretty. I wish I had a place to hang this.
I can't even fucking see it.
I've never been like a huge Homestead guy.
Hold on, let me see if I can find the chat window. Oh, yeah, that's there. It's in the chat window. So you can see it's right there.
Yeah, I see it there, but you know, it's like
So that's 3.
because it's where it's
there.
in the back.
What, they blind?
Yeah,
I see it.
And dumb.
So that to me is like that's still a 3. I mean, that's almost kind of a restaurant low. I mean,
I'll take it. That'd be about the low I'd want for that.
That's a nice low, yeah. All right, well, let's go to 4.
If I didn't love the Phil Rich in Abby's room, I might try this there.
Big smile for
They
camera.
use those kind of Calcutta type bell canopies. They're like the casablanca plane.
That to me looks more like what you'd expect a factory low to look like. I think that's 4.
That's a little fast for me, but yeah, you might be right.
Well, I mean, I'm not saying that's what I would want, but that's what I think like
So I
factory
got the
low would
video
look
for
like.
my channel. It's fucking beautiful.
It's a work of art.
Is it the impressions?
Does it have Dan's video in the background?
Yes.
I'll give it a thumbs up.
Well, but on the plus side, my video also has his in the background, because I wasn't fast enough to mute it, despite my best intentions.
All right, here's 5. We're probably getting closer to like a slow medium now.
In all fairness, I couldn't hear shit. I was just being irate by both hands. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we have this piece of shit.
Now I'm going to get a copyright strike for having his video in my video.
Here
It's going to say
is,
the audio.
here is 6. Definitely more of a medium now.
No, but you can check in.
That's true. They call it a preemptive strike.
Dan, you have way more presence. You could easily take the whole channel down.
Yeah, probably.
I don't know if YouTube actually cares about that, but I could certainly try.
You can get him a copyright strike probably.
Yo!
I'll just I think it's honestly going to depend on who Musto likes better.
Who he comments on first.
I think that's gonna go. I think that's gonna
All right, here's 7.
in favor of Dan.
I'll do the Dan one for you.
I told him.
John already hates me.
I told him he should do his video as me, but he didn't.
You can just say it's the last fan of the night, even though it's the first video we made. I don't know why they like that so much. Alright, so let's go to 8.
Alright, so I'm gonna mute and just turn off the camera. That way, like, I can, you know, do that. How about... Is there a way to kick people? Oh, wait, never mind.
That's a pretty fast medium. Alright, let's go to 9.
I'm trying to, like, angle this. I'll give feedback about the 240p Homestead. Alright, so it's pretty inches, right?
Yes.
Good angle.
What was I forgot? What was the high end current for this one?
Like 4.8, I think.
PS flat. That's what I thought. A little under. All right.
All right. Let me do it.
So that is 10.
You ever see the Homestead?
Yes. Here we have it. Walmart impressions.
Gosh. My ears.
That sounds like Roz from Monsters Inc.
You didn't say last fan of the night.
That's no, it's wrong.
This lady's performance is a mess, just like your mother at night.
That's close.
All right, here is 12. 0.3.
Nick, you're coming in so distorted on my end.
Okay.
13.
You sound like, yeah, low speed.
Okay, you smoker.
All right, 14.
You can tell it's louder than your mother's vibrator at night.
I mean, he's making your mom jokes, but they're just supposed to say your mom. Like,
Yeah.
They're not supposed to be more than
So
that.
are you still putting this on your channel with all the dirty jokes on? Because he's doing that right now.
Was that a question for me or
I
for
don't
you?
know.
I don't know. It's going up on mine.
It's going up.
Yeah.
Alright, you're 15.
That
That looks like that's like a metal peak high, like a little bit backed off. High.
Yeah, backed off high is what he would call it, for sure.
Yeah. Alright.
If you put this on your channel, you're gonna have to age restrict it because you know you said we're putting next video on, but he's saying all this shit. A little bit of wobble, that's alright.
16.
Twice what my friends would say. All motors are in fact snack motors.
That sounds like it.
K55 type.
Alright, 17. Point 430.
I just want to hear an explosion.
18. Still
What do you spit that gas box, but the head blown up on the last try of the man?
I couldn't even tell what he was saying.
It's just, you know,
It all looks the same pretty much. Where are we at, 20?
So this is 19, that's 20.
Yeah. So it's safe on any wall control at least.
It's not, I haven't seen
Yeah.
it budging. Do you want me to
I
go
would-
up?
No, I mean you can, but I mean I usually just go up quickly to figure out if there isn't a resonant frequency, but it's not, you know.
I'm gonna just do it quick.
Yeah.
Yeah, nah, I think we're good. Oh, 0.46.
Next fan testing day, hopefully I'll get on work on this R52. I didn't feel like digging into it today.
I would be interested to test. I mean, if you get that's one I'd like to see.
So Friday I have a gig, but it's a very low pressure gig and it's here in town. It's just like have to get there at 6 and I'll be gone by 9.
Okay.
So what I was thinking was, cause Pete and I were talking about going to my mom's and taking a small load of
Right.
stuff.
Like I
in the
said,
afternoon.
Friday I'm pretty much wide open. So,
So I was
can come up on
thinking
Friday.
we'd go over there, take a small load of stuff, then maybe go to the barn and finish whatever unloading he hasn't done yet. And then you guys can fuck around at the barn while I'm at my gig, and then we come here and test fans at like 9, 10 o'clock when I get done. Do like 3 fans, get done at the usual time.
For sure, yeah.
Works for me.
Yeah, I'd be up for that.
I think Pete'd be cool with that. Pete and I were originally planning to test fans Friday, but
Right now, I mean.
so I guess 0 to high is really all that's left on this.
Yeah, we don't need to do solid.
So this will work great with any capacitor-based control. It's noisy with the solid state, which is
Alright,
ironic
I'm
because
just
it
gonna
has a solid
okay,
state.
yeah, it's a little stuff. Okay, so alright, we have any in-rush
Hey,
predictions?
hey! Dumb fucks. Small inrush, big inrush, or no inrush?
Good. Dick. I mean,
Good.
He said good dick. What is that even?
Maybe they're into that. I don't know.
Hey, I don't judge.
I'm not gonna.
Whatever
judge.
makes you happy.
Whatever floats your boat. All right, I'm on this one. I'm gonna say small and rush.
If you're going with small, I'm going with none.
All right, ready?
Go. Ooh.
Oh shoot! Yeah,
That's
a small.
Yeah, as long as it drops no lower than 0.48, then that is definitely small.
Yeah, I think. Yeah, 0.49. I think. Yeah.
Well, this was a really cool find.
What's this about? Marketplace?
Something like that. I think it was Marketplace. Yeah.
Okay.
Somebody sent me the seller's information and said you should get this, and I looked at it and I said sure I will. And yeah, but that was, like I said, it only had a real shitty picture, and it turned out to be much cooler than I expected. I'm glad I got it.
No,
and,
like small 6-blade cane is not something you see a whole lot to begin with.
No.
But
so,
very cool.
Anybody want to do it?
Do what now?
So we got one more video tonight, so keep watching.
I'll do the intro.
Okay. Well, I was saying.
Do like a half
Thank you for listening to this.